you the question. Hey Steve, just by using the new flow technology, please explain to me and other people who are watching this, what did you see from that?
So the first thing I noticed right off the bat is the diameter is probably 3 times the size of what I'm usually used to. So that was pretty cool. If I can get the air to sand ratio exactly where I need it, I could probably cut the time on this truck down almost by half, not quite half, but almost. When I was aiming down here on this C channel, which they're always really rusty and nasty, I aimed right above this bolt right at the tip, and usually I'll get about that much of a chunk, but I damn near got the entire C channel, which means probably gonna finish this truck at 3 hours less than what I normally do. So this is a really cool product.
So you're saying that normally this truck would take you roughly
8 hours.
8 hours.
Probably do it with this system. I could probably do it in 5.5. Maybe we'll have to see. Definitely saving a lot of time.
Thank you.